Alright guys, so this is how we're going to set up the bot today. We're going to go ahead and go to VS Code. We're going to basically just download VS Code for this area. If you're using Windows, download it for Windows. Mac, download it for Mac. You can just select whichever one you're running, which OS. I already have this installed, but I'll kind of run you through it a little bit. So yeah, I downloaded it twice. Let's see. So we're going to open it up, and then we're going to hit accept the terms without reading, because that's how we do it. We're just pretty much going to go through next on all that. And that should set you up to install. So now we're going to download the bot. So you're going to go into the Discord, and you're going to open this file. Extract the file. You can get the link to in the description to where this will be. So you're going to extract it to your desktop. And then once it's extracted from your desktop, you're going to go ahead and go into Node. I'm going to show this in my next video as well, but we'll just do this here as well. You're going to want to install Node. It's pretty much the same thing. Make sure though that with this one, you go through the whole thing. It's going to check my space and all that. I'm not going to go fully through with this installation because I already have it. And if you notice, I selected the left option, not the right option. And it's going to ask you if you want to have, I think it's Choco something. You can just hit no, this one right there. You can just hit, you don't even select it, just go next. And then I'm going just a little slower on this one. So I'm going to exit that because I'm done there. And then from there, then we're going to go into the Discord developer portion. This is where you're going to get your token and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to pull up my test bot. And actually, let me show you, I'll create a brand new one. So we're going to call this YouTube. Let's do YouTube. And then you're going to want to consent. So this portion right here, this is all just basically your general information, your TOS, all that fun stuff. This is where we're going to start getting pieces that we need. The client ID, you're going to want to click copy. And then what we're going to do with that is we're going to actually go into the code now. So we're going to open up the folder. You're going to right click and you're going to select open with code. And then we're going to go, I'm going to click cancel here. Fun fact, you don't have to pay for it if you just click cancel. So we're going to go into the config right now. And then we're going to go, we have the app ID, which is the client ID. We're going to paste that in. And then from there, we're going to go back and let's go through a little bit more of this. So this is going to be where your token is. You're going to click reset because you obviously don't have your token yet. Let me get my code 1 second. I do recommend 2FA if you guys don't have it already set up, especially with dealing with bots. All right, so now we're going to hit copy and we're going to go back to the same thing. We're going to go to token. We're going to paste this in and then you're pretty much finished up on that portion of the code side. But now we got to make sure that we have everything enabled for your intents and all that fun stuff. So you're going to want to go through here. I'm going to leave the bot as public. We're going to go through and mark all these like the presence intents, the member intents, all that fun stuff. You can go ahead and mark that. Make sure you hit save as well. If you don't save it, it's not going to save. And I have done that before. You're going to want to go through too, and you're going to want to mark under OAuth 2. You're going to want to mark bot. I'm marking administrator just because it's a test bot. You're going to go down and you're going to select the link. You're going to post the link in your web browser. This is how you're going to invite your bot to your server. And there we go, coding with Cody. And it's an administrator because, you know, I just go all out. For you guys, you can go more specific and go through each perm that you actually wanted to have. I will tell you a production bot with administrator is not going to look good. People will not add it most likely just because administrator is the highest perm you can have. And there we go. You can see it's YouTube. The role is YouTube. And then that's pretty much it.